everybody today. We're gonna make this helicopter fly into the air like a rocket immediately. Okay, first up, you must get the helicopter, which will cost you about $8 million. And second off, getting the helicopter, TP to Rally, guys, Rally, TP to Rally, or teleport to Rally. Seeing this right there. Here, scroll down, teleport. You will see. Wow. Okay, in T minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift off! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, I'm dead. Okay, dead. Yeah, dead. Dead as dead. So you do the glitch, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video or short. I'll see you next time. Yeehaw.